Is your PC constantly hitting 100% disk usage and freezing up? Whether you are trying to open a folder or launch a game. So in this video, I'm going to give a ultimate all-in-one repair script. We are not just disabling the services, we are going to use the DISM and SFC command to deep clean your Windows system files, reset your virtual memory and optimize your boot drive, all with one just single click. So let's get straight into it. So this is the bat which I made. You just need to copy and paste all the content from my description box, and just we need to click on file, then click on save all, save as. Now choose the location, all file, and name it diskutilizationreduce.bat and save it. And once you save it, you need to right click on this disk utilization reducer.bat, run it as admin. And before we run it as admin, I should show you what we are going to disable from here. So when I open this script, the first one is SysMain. We are going to disable this service. And why we are going to disable this service? So basically it monitors which app you use most often and preload them into the RAM so that they can open faster. Why we should disable it? On many PCs, SysMain constantly reads and writes your disk in a background. This causes the disk to stay at 100% usage even when you are not doing anything. Disabling it stops this constant background scanning. Now second one is WSearch. WSearch is basically Windows search indexer. It creates an index of every file, email and folder on your PC so that when you search in the start menu, the result may appear faster on your system and it appears faster. So why should we disable it? The indexing process is very heavy. If you have thousands of files, WSearch will keep your disk for 100% and also busy for hours trying to update its list. Now the third one is this one, DiagTrack. DiagTrack is basically connected user experience and telemetry service. This is a service that sends a user's data and the diagnostic report back to Microsoft, help them to improve Windows. Now the result will be better privacy and less background services. So this one is that service, and we are resetting the virtual memory, cache memory as well. And these are temporary files as well on your system. And this one is DISM command to repair any corruption in your Windows image. And this one is for SFC command to scan the system file checker on your system. So let's get started. To simply you need to right click on this and run it as admin. Now the process will look like this. Since I have already disabled all the services, you can see there. First it has disabled the services. Windows search, change config, SysMain is not started, and it will take some time depending on your internet. It will take some time, so let it run, and once it is finished, you just to restart your Windows. But somehow, or if any reason, due to some any reasons, you want to restore your system setting to default, just the simple command is here. You just need to use this bat, and this will start the services as it is on your system default. But I should not recommend you to enable them back. But for the any reason you want to enable it back, you can do this with the help of these two scripts. I will give both the script into my description box. You just need to save it as bat as I have already shown you, and just run it as admin and restart your Windows, and you will see your disk usage will be less and your issue will be fixed and PC will be running fine. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.